space, the final frontier.
We are within visual range, sir. On screen. It is a Ferengi transport ship, Decora class.
That's the same Ferengi vessel that entered the corridor a week ago.
Captain, there are no emissions from that vessel.
All right, I'll deal with this later. Let me get you down with those sensors.
Isn't it neat? Clearly there is a misalignment somewhere in the system, that's for sure. I'm concerned that my training efforts will ultimately fail.
Maybe you're just going about it the wrong way, Dan.
I've consulted numerous.
It is possible that information was recorded in our sensor logs, Commander. Unfortunately, my entire crew is occupied with our repairs. I don't think there will be time to search our records.
Damon, if we assign an engineering team to assist you with your repair efforts, would that give you time to retrieve your logs?